to bless your life. Good morning. God bless you. He's a great God, and Yawade, Mesreona, and Idianu Bukan so. Na wetumi akonyame enem and Brian Yaba Dr. Ekia Mary Ganza. Nandra na yene birthday, and let us all join faith and hearts together. Na yemfase the PSC menyameti asefo wahwe nuabe so for all these years abona hoban kurano akwantuo dodo from one church to another church. One denomination to another denomination, country to another country. Tamwa or to Nejumo Name Mame ye Mosofokra Debbie. Mekaipa very well in the 80s na Oba Ashanti region through my father Francis Akosiamuakon Ewo Aye Kumase Stadium. Aye Methodisa Ewo Wesley. You didn't feed that. And from that time, one mehunua bepem ende ogusua odaso etu jamenyum. Mama Nsa started in your Let me start the song one more time. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Tantia Goli Ate. Tantia Goli. Adia ba kona mitimi share obi nkran se ensum nyame a onye kese enye bida ensum nyame a wa wunim se nyame no onye kese fa wunyame no fa ne hoahoa wo ho. Boast yourself that I serve the big, great, mighty God. But what Juniper say, I serve the big God. Why the bet me a Jina say Nyameno enim? But as I say, we were Fidia to Adom 106.3. Among Fidia Radio Casanome, Wogan and Yanano, who choose to say what they were Fidia to Anayana Medenya Mia say at the mouth. But as I say, Facebook ministries is so dorsal. We choose to say what they mean some Adom 106.3. And I say, YOA. YOA, the advantage in this, and you may be so. I try to reach out to you through the medium and preaching and exhortation and prayer. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen, goeiemorgen, goeiemorgen. Thank God for you, Eunice Quantin. Thank God for you, Jennifer. Hey, Mama Kai, Madam for Eunice. Eunice, I know your birthday. We are Juma British Airways. Our Sofo Mame, good morning. Ekia, good morning. Eunice, it is a blessing. Oh, Mame, a apostle laying coffee. Who couldn't so a Yunyamia Kuapa. So happy birthday and God bless you, Eunice. I pay ya meditate kakrami to me no be ansana. Ya koyense num fuenum bio. One bet to be a jirenya for yeni. No one can stand before this great God. Anti-kite. I'm afraid in London to say, okay, Tracy, good morning, Eunice, Jennifer, Cordy, how are you? Marianne Ableme Kome, good morning from Belgium. Belgium to say, good morning. Cynthia Osei, good morning. Where are you watching from? Okay. George Fiau Osofo and Holland to say, goeiemorgen, goeiemorgen. 1 Corinthians 15 verse number 10 was saying, "Nenso onyamia dumuntina metisa die meti." Nenso onyamia dumuntina metisa senia meti. Well, Facebook, share with other friends. Share with them. Nenso onyamia dumuntina metisa senia meti. Don't say metisa senia meti. Ayo onyamia dum. Don't send me a tea, send me to make a come on me to me caught me to me ba to me show me man, to me show me yere, to me show me kuno, to me show me fi pamoa. Send me a big can, I mean to me the shankrophone cryer. Ayo nyame Adom. 1 Corinthians 15 verse 10. And so nyame Adom ntina metisa deni ameti. Na Adom na odi Adom me. I do the abdominal and to me and yakwa. When I bet to me, I'm a wadum, and so I'm careful and now dumana yakwa. Rademan and Paros are dooming a media dum one a beya kwawa brabum. Let not your grace, the grace that God has given to you, let not it become vain. A mad dooming a media mawono, men mad domino and meya quada. A many pebian to know what domoso. Emma Wukunu, Emma Oyere, Emma Mame, Emma Papa, Emma just me a human being. Me a human being be a woman in Asia. Now was a bit too near Matawa, Mawan Casa. We really be free with him now. And many baby and see Adom and Yamedia Mawa, the Adom one. many baby a meshikwan nanso nyame adom no nti ena mete sɛ ne ametie anopai ukonyame ye name na waka kire awurade sɛ adom dodo a wodi adom me ame ye wusu ansɛm nhunu ye no ena ya wada awurade reveal all your grace that you have deposited in me adom dodo a wodi awura me mu ame nhunu ye adom dodo a wodi awura me mu ame nhunu ye wodi se ye mu bebre ye kɔ banyina no to bre ye nim de nyame de adom ye eti kura o keka ho se wo ye biribi a no obi hye wo so no obi brewase no obi ka wo hye no obi do atem enso twerefo Paul say enso nyame adum nti na mete se ne ametie yi o too big Dr. Eki Americans Nanso so nyame adom nti ana mete sania metie yi.
So he's a great God.
Nanso nyame adom nti eno nko ana mpese na wo de bompa. Say Awurade adom no betumi amama ye odefo. Adom no betumi amama ware. Adom no betumi amama ho atome afri. Yarewa ne yare ahodo ene na mawia kete yi. Awurade wadom betumi abokwaya to baby a kwan ni amame. Why should I be limited? The internet also near my brema see. God, reveal all your grace, the hidden treasures in me. What him say, what you want to say, I would drink so you hear me. Winning baby, a radia see or do qua cotton. One casanka, one more. One cabaji Adom now the Syrian and the Gia and Osebo Amerade. There is a grace in you. There is a grace in you. What the Nedi, I mean, no one can get to be in my coat to Amawi. Now they bomb pay. Now, the next 1 month, the next 2 months, the next 3 months, the grace of God is going to carry you. A best swallow the way would have baby. I won't need the biarada. Senia Paul I can say, na me matsia me tinyana e yo nyankopon adom. Yeshua says who be pie dia wa horo wonsa udware wie kura wo sa horo wonsa na de sanitizer aye wonsa ho na wo nose mask and also so no watam me be sa na maye na me drew house so na ya de gun no ahwe omo maso na age pew na hwe se temperature no ay okay ansa no be wura ba bia nkrofo nyina wo ati me de no me yare sa me de cento ya me tena me kai mo na metam cento gun na me egu ka no na kunya so nyina ya de we ono a obenu no so obaaye wo benu no ho asuma ma ready food. Be family nyame family center no me stia no na me aguso na san me baby me aguso sa center no a wono obehunu say yes be juice na mo no ankasa obenu no so ba wiase ya awo percent to ibi ata obetumi afasa number 0541110136 0541110136 and that's a 0244409092. FDA for approve that Kransana ya dear we say baby as here. It teaches a near fina ya approve ya check. Tamwa basa ya dear ba could be the buyer. Ibula buyer no ye sent to buy. Tia de dada kras take room. Adia me dey de me ntwen keka no ha but be de me nim say if you found sound now dey what dey aye wapuna ho now dey but company no from Patos AIB. Good morning. Mame call Mame Sofo Udifo Bana Omompaye Maye Nyame adomo a ode adua ye mo no ema adomo no ehinta na adomo ne nenam ho na manipa mehye adomo no so na emo nyame ma na adomo enkanya ne ho ye na brabo ya setena ye difre ne ye fie ba adomo nyame de adua ye mbemu enra me pon dwumedie na onua bi frame efre Holland na ose me wie dwumedie no na ne bad boy a friend say mami ne wan hwe Bishop program no so ma hwe dada e no say ne sa mami bie na me nsa hwe bi na me de ma anya bi ahwe into mo tena so mo hwe akora very young, very intelligent boy hwe ade ne sa no mama Bishop de bia so sanatade enti eye dey no nya sika tontade very young. I yet then a pepenya sikan tontade because also be here the Facebook continue and you compose this also a part and need that way. And an mama say any wafa telephone friend in the bisano was it me bisano because every day I will be you see and could any bit me Jenny na who say Meme someone panyifo I've been serving people who pay you be how do the dagger so chair with the okra or baduro okra baby now kwadano just say a young child asking such a question to be sad mama we and mama so be some no so be bisa and was say everybody mo me na me pay juma or a student but was me pay juma na every month be an me ama tonta de ama me papa no one fa enyenya me juma I mean it is a grace so and yan kwada nyina na was such thinking ability or dream ko achiri na winya nkura say etwa hosia kura no a we just we ba mabukura no you be encouraged. Hey my boy Fritz, good morning. Fritz, good morning. How are you? All right. I am on pie. Mame bon pie my.
Anya minyina ahunam nyina nyankopon. Yada wase. Honhon konkono. Wo san we ye buafo. Nti ye de aseda ma wo asafo Awurade. Awurade wo de ma e de acheyen. Me serese ade bia wadua we ye mamu. Wo na wo to nsuogu nneoma so.
Madosha baga so barade.
Awurade ne wadua ma ye mamu die honkonkro ye serese. Mane so aba.
God.
Yesre ni mudie. Nyansa ni mudie. Fa dum ye ma. Awurade achede wo de acheyen. Me serese me nya wo mo mfa so die.
Lekabago
abata ya Awurade. Wama ya so abade a. And I yaba ya so. Ma Awurade ma enya achede ma. Ewiase nyina. Ne bese wanyonya. Wona ma nyansa. Yesre nyansa de ma ye ma. Wonyame agya oba honkonkodie mu nti. Amen.
Amen and amen and amen and amen and amen and amen and amen. The show Sampire ya mame boy and scripture me quote you so the bompire mawoma there are hidden grace Adom Ahengua and the akwada bisa ne mame I don't take it for granted I don't mean funny agro crack as I say kay radi sufre radi mawoma se radi ma dum biara be mame may Womo dia wodu omo ba wiase abotaye nti odom ba wiase ano masa dom no enye dwuma ewo Mr. Samuel ya bompa ya mame ba no mame nana ya mame me baba ko Juanita Germany Cologne. A happy birthday and God bless you and God multiply you and God increase you. Juanita, Ishlabedexia. Good. Yankoya children no makakra. Yankoya children no makakra. Mama was Simon. I pray for your children that grace. Adom nyamedi adom emofra no. Erade ma adom no enye juma na enye juma. Na so when nyame adom nti na mete sade ametie na nadom a ode adom me no anye kwa. Enu ne hia me papa. Unyamia dumbi also any say yakwa. But my kind of saying my main shifted to the scripture and ram no pija, na yen shad dear ewo honum. 1 Samuel chapter 17. 1 Samuel chapter 17. Na and then my main kind free surukakra. Na na kuya mate okwa kutwitre mate o London. Me offer say ono train wuchi. O twitre ankasa. Hey, Anita. All right. Coco Chitre, mami, what? Right. So, making Kai free the verse 20. No. Now, David is sorry anopahima. Eja ninya no eshe ohwefo ensa. Ena osua ekoye sede Isaiah naja eshe no. Na okodru entiasianam aboaye na edom no erifri adi akọ empehyiamu na wobo okọ na wo nyina aboko se verse 21 chichemuadu no baako 1 Samuel na Israel ni Philistine atwitwa empehyo a edom akire dom ewe anim chichemuadu no me na David jina ne nuoma a na okura no ehye enuoma sohwefo ensa eno tumrika call empesua no mu na okochia ne nuanom no chichemuadu no ensa na onu omo kasa no ena Filistini katachie a wo frɛ no Goliath a wo frigate ni di kura anyede dinfu din tantan Goliath a wo free gate Goliath e di bi wonu me be show so ayo so papa sa di na ni so Goliath a wo free gate na obejira ho efri Filistifo empasua mu ebai ene obekasa ensem no a na David tie o kasa ye no na David teye nensam no wakabi dada 40 consecutive days ogusoka waka no asabeka debia wabeka David nua no wo ya sojafo de asrafo yi omote check his scripture no na wakasa ye no woteye na Israel barima no nyina wo huru wo barima no an wo dwane ye wo huru abranti anu se wo ba bek wo nya kasa ye kura obi ayi gudu wo bia dwane ye tese enra we anajo no before se me ko online me kaya dia me kaya wo pie ya na sojafo e wo kurom ho ne kurom ho hene wo bagas ya kasa pe na wo bia dwane because of one human being. One human being. One woman nyina wo bia dwane. Ah, David Antiasie. Na me di for David Antiasie.
Da, na me hunu se etu ne edin a so ye gina ma Yesu. Ah. So ye gina ma no. Etu de edin. Etu ne edin a Ewrade hia ye. Be
jana ma kene kakra kosoro ma me na ema de mo mpe mike epiepia.
Etu ne edin a ye na so ye gina ma Kristo.
Ampa.
Ozo nyame on mesi fom.
Nyame si fom be ye adwuma.
Ye na ode be fa ye mu. Enti ye ode fa ye na so ye nya kukuduro. Ne ye koma Yesu.
Ampa.
esi ejina man
David
ejina man Kristo omani hu se Goliath hu se Kristo bi wo ho
ampa
enti se to ne edin a esi ye nyame nipa fo na so nyame ma
na mesifo
ye jina ma Kristo
abusua bia nyame yi obi woman bia nyame yi obi just ememe dwane yanom ememe dwane on say etobre bia wa anya careful because of asumasi dwane yi ntino yes fear is contagious ehu esacha corona say who ba woman panyini a the whole citizens obi abaye hufo say who ba wo papa woni ne wosia abusua ni nyina obi abaye hufo say who yire the ho a chichire ukrom hene a one kasa obete but you say the ya ne say abrantie hyesra so wokura nchewie na eba wonkura certificate wonya qualified wonya srani but womo ya qualified no asofo ovoriata asofo ejesu abetena and Bible so womo nyira twane ye adenti do womo twane ye adai eno ameka to se be dika bi echi ni atwere se adai why did they ofraka me hwe wanim kasa mi ma odi answer kasa
Omba jomi dasi me okay kan dru ho no na mesere se
me wo sa wo sere na nim so wanya ayi bi
na mesere se de mema
twane
asrafo kura ajan
prominent people
ya wo mususu David nuano mo panimfo Eliab ni ade nyina eka ho a wo musu wa pa na wo mu dwane esanse papa na ba be kasa na mema kura na edwane na emanso na mu nkwada so ya da tire bia na papa asembisi ese be mamru ese be mema wo mu nyina edwane na eno ne ade a ehu se for instance say ya wo hwe yade ya aba wiase ne ade in a way no obia I so conscious say e di hu bebre ewura di bebre mu I said that no and right now we can say Italy man penny wakasa as I do pempenso bi na osu the do baby na se be ma esu a e se do baby a timpa wo mo ntansu sa na uhwe pempenso a papa ya begina ho kasa na memma ewo mu kuratu me hu
tuakro tuajai ya tete wo ya yen wonom they have been groomed trained ye soja fo krampo no yes ye ma abrante wa ye frɛ no David or ye disqualify o tia yes wo tia ti wono de wo dia de enye ye wo ye soja ni enye ye etobre bi nipa betimi de ya no afa ho sa brewa sesa ni a disqualify wo sa
o mo ye yi wo mu se wo qualify
ne say wo mo si wo tia wo mo si wo qualify wo mo hwe ya wo mo dwane no na bra tie di petia de fe wo pia bontere no pia bontere na fe wo manensa so be se dia na wo kire no wo be se wo kura soja mu kura no wo you have been disqualified.
Bible say wo mo te ne kasa no
you have been disqualified. One only the same kasa no te the same kasa no te but you see there is a spirit in certain individuals. There is a leadership quality and there is a fighting spirit. You want to be on one and talk and near DB and the size who and the certificate who and the credentials who maybe you also and some of them a size media may a crocroa, but there is a giant in me. There is a giant in me. Obi here from Zealand was it mentioned me Obi and Obi sending message from Finland was a patch Finland Michelle I said with the Monsan Caribbean. You know, I bet you about say you have been disqualified, discredited. Yes, you want some fata, but there is a that fighting spirit. spirit. And when I'm watching, but me provoke a fighting spirit. No, so I'm provoking that grace. And I dear me wo any say woman obi biara toto asie. So I am oba, so I am bema, so I am professor, so I am captain, so I am colonel, so I am general. Forget about them. Forget about them. Also forget about them. Oforiata, forget about them. Odifoba, forget about them. And Krofobo no mu fear. Adibo no ya de omuntimi nye. But wo kete noa. And it does so be ni omono. When said then yesikani, but there is that fighting spirit. But there is that zeal. But there is that commitment. There is something in you. Adiano we not tia. Na one kasa. Na one be one one. Wo hon to the over to kasa. Kasa.
Trust say David twamuno o twamuno and wo fa ho se okuchia won. Na eno na medwere ho ase. On se onim se ne nuanom wo kono. Enti wo fa ho se okuchia won. Wo dan so ba bia di se at least obi ya ade a e wo se utumi kɔ na obo na baso na utumi hye ne nkran. Na wo hwɛ se niama wo ye ne tsei. Wo fa ho se okuchia won. Ye mpampi no yemu dodo sei na ye kura sa akoma ne se wo hu se unua ya de na okobo na baso na okohye num kran David fa ho ekoye sa de
anya tia keke o wo ye inquisitive ko we mu yase nchi ya keke eko be gira no ho awevu mama so fo te de meka wo ye inquisitive at the same Moses anyame frɛ no na wo gira wo hweja no a edere no a was member ho you know bibi ho no mo onyame de adua ye mu a drive yen epiepia yen ade be mfa ho na so wo na yese wo ntimi nye but there is that assigning responsible work and therefore assigning responsibility ya assign in fact ye de abowasu in fact ye de awura wo mojem e wo DNA Mimi Yaw Owusu-Ansah say, and for Bibia for my honor, and woman DNA, and woman who cost rubber from who Besamekabi Kura, Mekabi. When it comes to nationalistic things, being patriotism, being patriotic, Mecca, Ube Dimatem, Udia Dimatem, we are still Mecca, the American American. So for Jay, Kabi, and count.
Bishop walking kind of me near maybe outside. Was say 40 days. And they be an way and pepia no 40 days. 40 days at the be a 9. And that Makumaku edu next Makumaku edu next. Soldier for one so according to Israel for no. Ubisasa omo yes omoko ekun. Omoko kun ekun so omoko ya no.
Magani.
Omoko tanafa. Omo pay sa akufo. But ekun be anyone no more. Because omo to them no.
That tobo. Well omo ji pay sa akufo. Nanso so
ekun be anyone no more. Because na omo suro enipa no. Obi akura ntem te se papa 40 days de bia kasa obekasa. And e dey meka ba ko ahire no. Just there was no attempt whatsoever. David did not. But the aduane ko ina won timi mfa nkoja nnane nani enti me kwachi abranom se na ekun ni gina mu a wonko because no mo tete fom won timi me kwachi abraham tibra good morning obacho dama me de aduane brem enti ho enna
enti e kasa
nyame eye connection sa time no na golat e pen ho asem eyi ne ho adi enna David sine we nsu na was say soldier for no mum ka chen sehwe ono oba akwa we
na mutimi kire akwa na eba no na so mutimi nka bi nkire no
obia just ko bia
akwa na eba sansani kotwini
Bishop ne ema yentimi nwen ne se yenye attempt
akwa sansa wodi aye na wuti kura mpo no a wodi waye bi me ade aye kan anope enye commentary ne yema me come kire so wo fie there is a Goliath me ka kire so wo ma me fie wo papa fie Goliath bi wo hono mu a de bia wo ma na wo mene so possibly wo mfa wani hu no wani de wo mfa hu no nanso so de bia wo ma na wo mene so ye frɛ na warejaye ye frɛ no sujadie ye frɛ no ohia one man home minister and if you ya me man credentials sa ya de ya wa ba sa wiase ye no me ka se ni wo sia me man home minister yes, you're drawing ho. Meanwhile, her barrister who drew a one gun, make a scientist. I'm not talking about a scientist. Yemi that is qualified, yeah, no doors. Disqualified people in this African continent are many. But I'm telling you, when my Bible here Kurami say, when Yamia Shedes, yes, ya Kwashia Pebi, Kwasia Bafuobi, when Crophobia Minimansa, one thing higher, the cabbages saya, they are simba shake. And Yadi Bekumobi. Now, one more Makosukuna. And scientifically, it doesn't work. I know I'm in I don't want to hear that. Don't talk only about scientists. I trust and I believe in education. Memfa this year niagro. Nakame sa sabi ni kaida na migusu suade. At my age, the BMC who am suade. But me pese mema this year no. Abe control my say. As soon as you and I were maintained there, when you're fit and qualified, I know the oh yes, sir. Now we are Baba Yamatanfo because when Yami, now quite ya chiwacho, Yamia quite a ya chiwacho, Yami betimi a foul here and the bipa, no they know Baba ye and Mushio, no they be rolling away the reproach of nation. Why don't we open up for certain people and then listen to them and then embrace them and then receive them, and we will see the redemption of the Lord.
Say, oh, onimpa oya wadwin say nyame, basa nyame de we ya nyame tumu de we. Wo siesie ho say nyame mfa wonya odo we. Na David we siesie no ho say nyame mfa ne and it's in a midden. When I get you on calculating to Tana was sissy. What I get you on car. Can you dear bay one more so but the row kuruma? One to your condition, them. One to your condition came. And one much suit. One more called radio so mother. Gentlemen got down to the sex term. Yet to one of my brother 7 to 10 kind. Monko classy. Let's do something now. 1 hour shot, where are they? Where are they in this nation? Where are they in your church? Where are they? One more here, one patamoni wabusianum. May say, we better your Korean sending, but God has prepared you. We better your gentry, but when you're mere CSU. We better your fitany, but when you're mere CSU. We better your carpenter, that's when you're mere CSU. A brandy, know what the Srasua or Shamwa. Moi, and one I know what I want. No, why you're not going to say my family.
Bishop, I dear by one, who pa a boat is life room, and you go that size in home. Necasa. I dear by one, whereupon by one, who pa will be a say, Casa.
Battle of words.
Casa.
Battle of words. The friend of Battle of words.
Battle of words. Casa.
Battle of words. Obi betimi aka asamba akope watwere asamba akope twere asamba akope adwuma ya Facebook wo benso ya na obi office so intelligent no watwere ya na ma head na ma yimani. Who dare you? Who dared some of you? That is the end. That there is a fighting spirit. That is why I come from Babia. Be free now. Your face will come up. And I thank God I'm an Ashanti guy. I always thank God because I believe in that anointing. And I believe in that anointing. Ukuma pemwa, a pemsa soreba. Baby, we are cranny, we are Danny, we are Ibeni. There is a spirit there. It is a fighting spirit, nationalistic spirit. Woman to me, a sorry, me catch on the pace. It doesn't matter how people have ridiculed you. Your boo for your boo come for your brawase, your soon to me. But I never did a so catch us. There is that fighting spirit, that winning spirit, that winning spirit. That winning spirit, that winning spirit, that winning spirit. Sani Adiana Bona, but this is Mugumishire, Mugumishire, and Adiano, Yanadiano, but there is a winning spirit. There is a winning spirit.
Situations are sometimes, oh, sorry,
Wakasa will be a
ne piano eti enko akari bitebna hensia enti wani boswa enko eya ayam hihye ena afi onka na no ntum enko okasa mo Israel metetem.
There is a winning spirit. There is a winning spirit.
Thank God for David.
I said there is a winning spirit.
God for David.
Mese wo dia David wa wuko. Me Yaw Owusu-Ansah metiase. So for jay. We are the David. We must confront all the negatives. We must arise. There is here tenacity. Nansana me kan Bible say. Na wo me kan wo asem nyina na apart from Yesu. E na nkonkron ni nyame agya no. Wo me nyina wo wu. Wo me nyina wu. Wo me nyina wu adan nompe. Me Yaw Owusu-Ansah metiase. What are you talking about? As long as I'm metiase dear. And some phoning some flu, I bring some abaye dom, a cabretiff one, some 4 1 we are here, and we don't have to sit down and allow them to operate. One more casa, now one more name Casana, no more casa, and I had you, maybe BBC, or interview prostitutes. I want to interview prostitutes. Now prostitute Bobna from Africa continent. If you are Holland, if you are more Bobna, he said you will be on 1 year better. You will be on 1 year better. No Jessica. Ya the 4. Ya dear way I'm a prostitute. What? Prostitutes. One more Bobna. And pay me, but will be no monitor BBC.
And again,
I know the Angaya.
and again,
Uber music.
I never.
Maybe I'm going to prostitute to Tiatium. Maybe I'm going to and just say if we last you come interview almost what say yeah bro yeah will be a mama and ya medo will be a more bobna so for you more bobna
Yeah, do not.
we must believe